Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you 3 passive income ideas and help you get on your way to earn over $2,000 every single month. And these methods are methods that I use to make money while I sleep. Yes, I know that phrase is overused, but it's true. By the end of this video, you will have 3 different methods that will allow you to earn over $2,000 every month. And the great thing is that these methods can be used with little to no money. And the crazy thing is that these 3 methods are for everyone. Yes, I mean everyone. This video is not just for individuals who have an abundance of capital lying around or some inheritance that they got from generations over generations. This is for everyone. I'm going to show you how to take advantage of existing assets that you already have and turn them into a passive income business stream. Now hear me out. So over 90% of Americans have their own vehicle in their household, and 98% of Americans either rent a home or an apartment or a condo, or they own a house, condo, etc. And lastly, since you're watching this video, I know that you have access to internet. So if you fall within one of those 3 statistics, which I believe majority of you guys do, then you are going to be on your way to making over $2,000 each month. Kicking things off, we need to first start out with what passive income actually is. So passive income is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. Now to be even more clear, passive income is not just mowing your buddy's lawn on the weekends or selling that terribly ugly and disgusting couch that you have in your living room on eBay. No, passive income takes little to no effort to earn or maintain. Now with that being said, the first method that I want to dive into is Turo. For those of you who do not know, Turo is an American peer-to-peer car sharing company. Very similar to Airbnb, Turo allows you to rent out your vehicle to other people in your area in return for income. Remember back in the beginning when I said that over 90% of Americans own their own vehicle or live in a household that does? This platform is great for those 90% of people. So all you have to do is list your car on Turo's platform, answer a few questions, create your page, and immediately your car is available to others and can go live. This is very easy to maintain. I have mine automated where I place a lockbox outside my house and I put the car outside. So when someone rents it and books a trip, all they have to do is use that code that I provide them and grab the keys and go. As you can see, these are my earnings from Turo over the last 7 months. And in the last 7 months, I've earned nearly $4,600. Now that $4,600 translates to roughly about $511 per month, and I'm projected for this year to earn upwards of $700 per month. So this right here already gets you on the chart in earning $500 to $700 per month of passive income. Turo's business model is actually fairly simple. So all you have to do on your end is go to Turo.com on their website and create your host profile. You'll list the car that you want to on there, and you even have the freedom to designate the times that you want your car to be picked up and dropped off and its availability. So this really works in your favor. Now at that point, once someone books a trip, you will earn income after the trip is over. And this is how you get yourself to that $500 to $700 per month. An important thing to note is that there are 4 different options in how much you can earn. And this all coincides with the insurance policy that you pick from Turo. So first there's the Turo Premium, which allows you to earn 65% of the trip price. The Turo Standard policy, which is 70% of the trip price. The Turo Basic, which enables you to gain a little bit more, and that's at 85% of the trip price. Or you also have the option to decline their insurance if you have your own commercials renter policy, and that yields about 90% of the trip price. One last thing is that Turo provides this calculator, which is a car calculator on your potential of earning. So using this, let's say that we have a 2018 Chevy Camaro, and we'll pick Austin, Texas for the location. So you just have to put in your inputs and your car information on here, and they're actually going to provide you with an estimate of how much you'll earn per month. So right here it says that on an average of 9.6 days, this car will be booked $721 per month and a daily income of $75. Take a look at this tool. I'll put the link in the description, and this will give you an idea if this passive income stream is the method for you. All right, moving on to the second method is creating yourself an Amazon store and reselling goods that you can purchase online. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on defining what Amazon is. I'm sure that everyone knows, but one thing that I didn't know when I first got started is that there are over 2.5 million sellers on Amazon Marketplace. Amazon is not just one manufacturer and distributor, they are both, and they allow other merchants to come and use their marketplace to sell goods. I started selling on Amazon earlier this year, and this is my first product shown here. These are AirPod lookalike headphones. They have the majority of all the same functionalities as AirPod, and they come from China, which allows me to sell these $450 unit products on Amazon for about $30. Shown here are my earnings for a week period in February. So within this week, I sold 10 units and made $214.90. And this brings me to my point is that I'm on pace to make about $200 to $400 per month just from selling these headphones. So what you have to do is you have to find some suppliers. Alibaba is a great website to find these suppliers that sell these products at a cheap price. And then simply you will go to Amazon, create your profile and your host page, and then begin selling these. And there's many different options of how you sell them. You can have Amazon actually ship and handle the customer service for you. It's called Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Or you can sell these individually and do the shipping and packaging yourself and handle all the nuances with customer support. Amazon's business model is pretty simple to understand as well. So let's say we have an idea to resell cowboy hats that we found on Alibaba.com. So what we'll do is we'll go to our Seller Central page on Amazon, we'll list our cowboy hats, and then you have two options of how you want to distribute this to your customers. One, we can do the FBA method that I mentioned previously, and what you'll do is you'll put your entire quantity of hats into a package and you'll ship them directly to Amazon's warehouse. And at that point, they'll distribute them to individuals, and in return, you'll receive income for this. And with this method, you should be able to see roughly $200 to $400 in income per month. So how does Amazon recoup some of their cost, and what fees are you going to be seeing as an Amazon seller? So to start off, what you're seeing here is my inventory page, and I've clicked the net proceeds for one of my products. So you can expect a flat 15% rate for services, and this is taken off of the total customer paid amount. Additionally, if you plan to use Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, then you can expect another 10 to 20% to be taken off of that total amount. So right there, looking at the upper end of that FBA fee, you can expect 35% to be taken off your total sales. And lastly, Amazon charges a $39.99 monthly flat fee, and this is just to be a seller on their website. Lastly, the third method, and probably the one I'm most excited about, is real estate in general. And for this video, I'm going to focus in on Airbnb. Airbnb is a peer-to-peer exchange platform that allows you to rent out your home or a room in your house to other individuals, just like for Turo. Interestingly enough, this company does not actually own any of the real estate listings that are provided on their website, and they basically just act as a broker, receiving commissions for each booking. And the reason why I'm really excited about this is because that I just bought a home this past May of 2019, and I plan on actually renting it out this year on Airbnb or to a long-term tenant. As I mentioned previously, I do not currently have my home listed on Airbnb. However, I plan to do so this year, and I'm quite familiar with their business model. So what you'll do is you'll post your room or maybe a garage or basement apartment on Airbnb. And once that's complete, people can begin to book your room or your basement apartment, and in return, you'll receive income. After doing some research online, I found a couple statistics, and it points to upwards of $900 to $1,200 per month just from renting out your house. Now, I imagine if you're renting out your room, you'd see this number decrease slightly, but with that being said, this still is a substantial amount. As for the Airbnb host service fees, you can expect a flat 3% for most hosts. This fee is calculated from the booking subtotal, so that means the nightly rate plus cleaning fee and additional guest fee if applicable, but this excludes Airbnb fees and taxes.
The bottom line.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you learned a thing or two. You now have 3 different passive income ideas on how to generate over $2,000 per month. You have ways to generate income from Turo, from Amazon the whole way to Airbnb, and renting out that spare room in your house. As you can tell, it's dark out now. I gotta get going. If you like this video, please hit the like below and subscribe for more content similar to this. I plan on releasing content on a weekly basis, so if you want to be the first to know, hit that subscribe button. Catch you later.